Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily had a heart as big as the sky and a spirit as free as the wind. She spent her days exploring the outskirts of the village, always yearning for adventure. One sunny morning, as Lily roamed the outskirts of the village, she stumbled upon a hidden pathway leading into the depths of the forest. Intrigued by the mysterious allure of the woods, Lily's adventurous spirit beckoned her to venture forth. As she stepped into the shade of the towering trees, a magical hush fell upon the forest. Birds chirped melodious tunes, and sunlight filtered through the leaves, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. Lily felt a tingling sensation in the air, as if the forest itself was alive with enchantment.